your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Chelsea Priest.
Yesterday at this time, Ian, which is now a tropical storm, was a very strong Category 4 hurricane. At landfall, it was nearly a Category 5 hurricane. When you're that strong, it doesn't matter if it's a strong Category 4 or a Category 5. The damage that was done through the southwest portion of Florida was just astronomical. Now, Ian has been continuing to push towards the northeast over the course of the night, moving pretty slowly, only 8 miles per hour right now, has weakened just now at 5 a.m. to a tropical storm with winds sustained at 65 miles per hour. Expected to continue to move towards the northeast as we head through the morning hours, come back out over the ocean. You can see move towards the ocean, continuing to move towards the north, making landfall again somewhere through South Carolina. And you can see as soon as it does move farther inland and fully over land, weakening significantly. This last timestamp here is Saturday, and at that point it's a post-tropical system. There are tropical storm warnings now all the way up to Wilmington, North Carolina. In the blue there you can see all the way extending up that way and still in place for parts of Florida. Still hurricane warnings in place for that central portion of Florida at the moment. For us here, our quiet weather continues. Temperatures in the upper 40s for inland spots this morning, most spots in the low to mid 50s to start the day. Typically this time of year, average low is in the low 50s, so we've been kind of on target with our average temperatures over the last few days. Average high is 70 degrees. Today we actually end up just a few degrees cooler than that with the breeze from the northwest, about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Today the wind stays from the north, and that does keep us just a little bit cooler, expecting high temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. Satellite radar image shows you dry conditions, quiet conditions. You'll see some sun for a good portion of the day today. There are those clouds off to our east. Shouldn't really be a threat to us. We should stay bright for much of the day. But some of these clouds extending all the way from Ian, which is still way down to our south in Florida, will start to move into our area as we head through late tonight and more so into tomorrow. So as you go through things hour by hour, today looks mainly sunny with highs in the mid to upper 60s. You can see some of those clouds starting to stream in overnight. Will be partly clear, but some clouds around the area for tomorrow with highs staying in the mid 60s range. Now, as we head into Saturday, Ian again, center of what's left of Ian, still way down to our south over North Carolina into Virginia, but some of the rain may inch closer to us here. There's still a question of how far north some of that rain can get as we still have high pressure in control, but I have added coastal rain into the forecast for Saturday, so we'll continue to watch how far some of that banding. Again, we're not talking about torrential heavy rain from Ian, but some moisture from Ian may make its way here with that first round coming in Saturday along the coastline especially. And then as Ian continues to lift towards the northeast, again, what's left of it at that point, it's just remnants. We may get another shot of some showers into the early part of next week. Overall, today looks quiet, though. It's a partly sunny, cooler day. Temps in the mid to upper 60s range. We head through tonight. It's partly cloudy. It'll be a cool night. Temperatures in the 40s for tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow, you continue to see kind of a mix of sun and clouds. I do think the clouds thicken up a bit tomorrow. Temperatures stay in the mid 60s. Heading into Saturday and Sunday, we're going to stay mostly cloudy. You end up with a few coastal showers around on Saturday. Into Sunday will be mostly cloudy and cool. Temperatures in the low 60s into the start of next week with another round of some showers possible Tuesday into Wednesday. Guys?